strange world unseen by the human eye. Proteins, sugars, RNA, the microcosm of life, all made of atoms. Billions of atoms form cells inside everything around us. For example, an apple. The European Synchrotron Radiation Facility, ESRF, is empowering scientists to scrutinize this atomic world. It has already facilitated some incredible progress at the cutting edge of modern science, the way we use materials, how we manage our energy resources, and improving our health and lifespan. At ESRF, X-rays are used to explore the microscopic and atomic structure of matter. Electrons with 6 billion electron volts circulate in a storage ring 844 meters in length, their speed almost matching that of light. With this energy, they are capable of producing synchrotron radiation, thin X-ray beams of tremendous brilliance. The storage ring feeds these X-ray beams into experimental stations, equipped with instruments for specific techniques or types of research. 42 such stations, also known as beamlines, surround the storage ring, each a small world-class laboratory in its own right. Time is precious. Experiments are conducted on all beamlines 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. Precise and extensive preparation is carried out by users at their home institute before they travel to Grenoble in the French Alps. Prepared samples are exposed to the X-rays. Data is carefully gathered and recorded for analysis back at the user's institute. All fields of modern science are covered, and the beamlines updated constantly. The atoms in a sample deviate or absorb X-rays, almost like leaving a fingerprint in the outgoing beam. Scientists use this information to characterize the atomic structure and composition of the sample, and in turn determine its macroscopic properties or biological function. Understanding atomic structures is the first step towards developing new drugs, new materials, and the next generation electronics. "19 countries contribute to ESRF, 12 members and 7 associates. ESRF leads the way as a world-class institute, surrounded by 10 nationally funded synchrotrons located across Europe. It receives over 2,000 proposals for experiments per year, from which external experts select the best. Competition is fierce, which means that half cannot be accepted. Each year, 6,000 visitors use the facility. Europe's leading universities and research centres are among the users. ESRF is committed to excellence, matching the calibre of its users with high standards in reliability and instrumentation. Each beamline is reviewed externally every 5 years to ensure it meets world-class standards. One in 4 ESRF staff is an active scientist. They ensure that every experiment is as accurate and reliable as it can be, as every moment counts. The stature and knowledge of these 150 scientists is of equal importance, as their role is demanding, providing a local expert role for the visiting users, operating and continuously improving the beamlines, and conducting their own research. Some 75% will move on to a leading position at a university or research centre. 600 publications in peer-reviewed journals per year carry the name of an ESRF author. And together, all experiments at the Institute generate an impressive 1,600 such publications. This figure has increased year on year. So has the total number of experiments and shifts available. Today, some standardized experiments can even be performed remotely. The scientists send their samples to ESRF and control the beamline from their home laboratory. An ESRF scientist is on standby, just in case. 2 other international institutes, The Institut Laue-Langevin and the European Molecular Biology Laboratory share the site in Grenoble with ESRF. There are also an increasing number of highly specialised facilities and laboratories on this site, like the Partnership for Structural Biology. Having excellent French national research centres nearby is another great benefit for ESRF and its users. Today, ESRF is developing a set of next-generation beamlines in a new and enlarged experimental hall. Many of the existing beamlines will also be rebuilt. The upgrade will maintain the world-class standard of ESRF and ensure scientists can continue to make important breakthroughs. Science and the observation of matter are fundamental in mankind's quest to better understand nature and improve the world we live in. Today, scientists have moved on from observing nature with their own eyes to scrutinizing molecules and atoms with sophisticated instruments. And ESRF's mission is to give Europe's researchers the tools for this science. New and better science, bearing rich fruit year after year.